Good morning, everyone. My name is Dr. Himanshu Sharma. I am going to explain you about flip-flops. As you can see in handmade notes, that flip-flops is a memory element which is made up of logic gates. Logic gates like AND gate, NOR gate, NOT gate, and flip-flops are bistable multivibrators which has two stable states 0 and 1. Flip-flops are not binary or 1-bit memory. As you can see in the figure, there are many inputs which we can provide in flip-flop, but we can get only two outputs. One is Q, second is Q bar. Q bar is nothing, actually is the opposite of Q, complement of Q. Suppose we have the value of Q is 0, so the Q bar will be 1. Do you know that computers and calculators are flip-flops for their memory? Use flip-flops for their memory. A combination of number of flip-flops which can produce some amount of memory. There are basically 4 types of flip-flops. First is SR flip-flop. As you can see in this these notes, that first type of flip-flop is SR flip-flop. SR flip-flop is nothing, is a set and reset flip-flop respectively. Both inputs are known as synchronous control inputs. This is the truth table of SR flip-flop, and above that there is a circuit diagram of SR flip-flop. This is the circuit diagram of SR flip-flop, and that's actually representation of SR flip-flop. So the truth table which we can get from this circuit diagram of SR flip-flop is basically having 5 states. 4 states are those states in which clock is you're providing one positive triggered in that clock, and the 5th state is in which you are providing negative trigger. It means you are making the circuit off, providing 0 to clock. In the 4 states, in the first state of 4 states in the truth table, you can see you can get from the circuit diagram which is just below of the truth table. We can only put 4 values of S and R. First value of S is 0 and second value of S is 1, which we can put, and similarly the value of R is 0 and 1, and there are 4 combination of that. For these 4 combination of S and R, you can get different values of Qn and Qn plus 1. From this circuit diagram you can get these values of truth table very clearly on your own. Similarly, there is a D flip-flop, the circuit diagram, the truth table, and the logic symbol is given in this D type of flip-flop. This is different from SR flip-flop because the input you are providing on gate 1 of NAND is totally opposite of gate 2 input signal you're providing. But you're providing a common clock signal which is 1 to both gates. After that, the JK flip-flop is very important flip-flop. The benefit of this flip-flop is basically there is no cross sign. As you can see in the truth table of this SR flip-flop, there is a cross sign in which you can see that you can't get the value for Qn plus 1 in the intermediate state. In the fourth state, you can't get the value of Qn plus 1 for value of S and R equal to 1. So these four values which you can put in SR flip-flop, in which you can get no value for Qn plus 1, is actually solved in this JK flip-flop. In this JK flip-flop, you can see there are four states showing, and the first state is no state, second state is reset, then set, then toggle. There is no cross. It means there is no such kind of values which is not possible for Qn plus 1 or Q. After studying these flip-flops, we will move to characteristics of equations of this flip-flop in the next part. Thank you.